Hi guys! So today is Saturday and me and my mom are going on a nature walk with other friends and family. So come with us. Come with us. I'm inviting you to come with us. Yeah. Okay, well, I'll see you when we get there. Hi guys, we're at this park right now and we're going on a hike.
On a nature walk.
On a nature walk, not a hike, a nature walk.
Well, some people call it a hike. Some people call it nature walk.
Yeah.
Same difference. I'm already tired.
Guys, you think we're gonna see a bear? A bear or a mountain lion? Or some kind of other creature? Or a fox? Let's see. I don't think we're gonna see any of those creatures here though. Slippery, kind of.
You're walking the opposite way.
Okay, here.
Hashe.
Top of the world!
Come on, slowpokes.
Watch where you're stepping.
Whew.
Look at that big lake, guys.
Huge.
Hi.
Hi.
Ma'am,
Yeah?
you sure are taking footage of nature.
Yeah.
Somebody's good.
A lost scrunchie.
It's cute too.
Come on, guys.
Casey, don't ruin nothing.
And made herself at home here, so you can't tell as much as you
Go ahead.
So it's kind of a new creative lake that we call a reservoir. But one of the things I love to point out besides just the beauty, do you see that building over by the road over there?
Yeah.
Guess what that is?